Why 75% of olive oil on the market might be fake.
Olive oil is renowned worldwide for its exceptional health benefits and rich flavor, making it a staple in millions of kitchens globally. However, an alarming truth remains hidden in plain sight. Approximately 75% of olive oil sold commercially may be counterfeit, diluted, or mislabeled. This issue isn't merely about authenticity. It's about consumer safety, nutritional value, and trust. This video explores the shocking reality of the olive oil market, helping you understand how to ensure you're purchasing genuine, high-quality olive oil. The olive oil scam. Understanding the problem. The olive oil market faces widespread issues of adulteration and mislabeling, primarily driven by high consumer demand and limited supply. This discrepancy opens the door for fraudulent practices, where lower-quality oils or chemically treated products masquerade as pure extra virgin olive oil, EVOO. In fact, a comprehensive investigation revealed that up to 75% of olive oil products fail to meet the stringent criteria for authenticity and quality. How olive oil fraud happens. Fraudulent olive oil practices typically involve 1. Dilution with cheaper oils. Olive oil is often mixed with lower-cost oils like sunflower, soybean, canola, or even potentially harmful vegetable oils. 2. Mislabeled quality. Lower grades of olive oil may be deceptively labeled as extra virgin, a premium category demanding higher prices. 3. Chemical processing. Some oils undergo chemical refining and deodorizing processes to mask inferior quality or spoilage, drastically reducing their health benefits. Why authentic olive oil matters for your health? Genuine extra virgin olive oil is packed with antioxidants, healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamins E and K, and powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These beneficial compounds can significantly enhance cardiovascular health, support brain function, and provide robust anti-aging benefits. Conversely, counterfeit oils offer none of these advantages and may even pose health risks. The impact on consumer trust. When consumers unknowingly purchase fraudulent products, trust is compromised. Olive oil enthusiasts are deprived of true quality, nutritional benefits, and authentic taste. The widespread issue of olive oil fraud diminishes consumer confidence and negatively impacts ethical producers committed to maintaining quality and transparency. Recognizing genuine olive oil. Expert tips. To safeguard yourself and your family, follow these expert tips for identifying authentic olive oil. 1. Check for certification. Always opt for olive oil bottles bearing certifications such as 1. PDO, Protected Designation of Origin. 2. PGI, Protected Geographical Indication. 3. Organic certification labels. These certifications ensure the product meets stringent quality standards. 2. Read the label carefully. Genuine olive oil labels typically provide details such as 1. Country of origin. 2. Harvest date. Freshness matters. 3. Producer details. Avoid oils with vague or minimal labeling. 3. Evaluate the packaging. High-quality olive oil usually comes in dark glass bottles or tins, protecting it from damaging light and oxidation. Clear plastic containers may indicate inferior quality or fraudulent practices. Conducting a home authenticity test. While laboratory tests remain the gold standard, simple at-home assessments can help. Refrigerator test. Place your olive oil bottle in the refrigerator overnight. Authentic extra virgin olive oil often thickens or solidifies slightly due to its natural fats. While not foolproof, this quick test can indicate purity. Taste and smell. Authentic extra virgin olive oil should have a fresh, grassy, or peppery flavor profile, often with a slightly bitter aftertaste, characteristics absent in diluted or chemically processed oils. The global scale of olive oil fraud countries across Europe and North America have frequently detected widespread olive oil fraud. Notably, investigations by Italian authorities uncovered substantial fraud within the olive oil industry, with companies fined for selling counterfeit or mislabeled products. Similar cases have arisen in the United States and elsewhere, underscoring the global nature of this issue. Why the price matters. When purchasing olive oil, price can be a valuable indicator. Genuine extra virgin olive oil involves meticulous cultivation, harvesting, and processing, reflected in its price point. Extremely low prices often signify inferior quality or fraudulent practices. Investing in quality guarantees authenticity and health benefits. Supporting ethical olive oil producers. Consumers play a vital role in curbing olive oil fraud by choosing to support ethical producers who practice transparency, authenticity, and sustainable farming methods. Ethical brands willingly disclose their cultivation processes, certifications, and purity standards. How regulatory bodies are tackling the issue. Recognizing the severity of olive oil fraud, regulatory authorities globally are stepping up their vigilance. 1. Improved labeling standards. Clearer, mandatory labeling helps consumers make informed choices. 2. Enhanced testing. Rigorous testing protocols are increasingly implemented to detect adulteration. 3. Stringent penalties. Governments impose heavy fines and sanctions on companies found guilty of fraud. Olive oil and the importance of traceability. Traceability from farm to shelf is crucial in guaranteeing the authenticity of olive oil. Transparent supply chains allow consumers to verify exactly where their olive oil originates, reassuring them of its purity and quality. Making an informed choice to ensure you're purchasing authentic extra virgin olive oil. 1. Choose reputable brands. Trust brands recognized for their quality standards. 2. Look for recent harvest dates. Freshness significantly impacts taste and nutritional value. 3. Purchase smaller quantities. Smaller bottles ensure oil freshness and prevent spoilage. Cooking with genuine olive oil. Authentic olive oil enhances culinary experiences significantly. It's suitable for various cooking methods. 1. Drizzling and dressings. Fresh, authentic EVOO delivers robust flavors to salads and vegetables. 2. Low-temperature cooking. Ideal for sautéing or simmering dishes. 3. Baking. Adds depth and moisture to baked goods. Avoid high-temperature cooking to preserve its beneficial properties and taste profile. Conclusion. Choose authenticity for health and taste. The issue of olive oil fraud is serious and widespread, but armed with knowledge, consumers can make empowered choices. Authentic olive oil provides unparalleled health benefits, culinary versatility, and the satisfaction of supporting ethical and sustainable production practices. Prioritize quality, authenticity, and transparency. Your health and taste buds will thank you.